Alright. Here we go. Got this in mail today, FedEx. Nice plain brown package. No writing on it, which is good, because nobody knows what's in it on its way here. So let's open it up and see what we got. By the way, I'm Tony, and we got Rigby, who's always by my side. And just for a hint, yeah. Here we go. Alright, double box. No case. Uh-oh. Got her upside down. Ooh, look at that. Right here. Been wanting one of these for a long time. Alright. Ready? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wylde audio. Alright. It's all wrapped up. Alright. Oh no. So far so good. Zach Wylde got his own guitars. They are supposedly pretty nice. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Huh? How about that? Oh my gosh. This is the Barbarian Wylde audio called Nordic Ice. Got the flame maple top, flame maple on the back. Got the ultra cool headstock, black hardware. Oh, that's a beauty. EMG pickups, 81, 85. Some kind of strange inlays in mother of pearl. Oh man. Alright, what do you think? Like it? No? Maybe? Alright, check it out. Check it out. So far so good. Got the Zach Wylde headstock. That's right. Black Label Society. Alright, let's take a closer look. Yeah, she is a beauty. Check it out. Some really strange inlays. They're called runes. I'm gonna have to look them up. I don't know what we got going on here. Beautiful flame maple top. I don't know how the camera's picking it up, but it is beautiful. And it's called Nordic Ice. Satin black hardware. Yeah. Way to go, Zach Wylde. Okay, let's turn it around. We got black Grover tuners. Really cool V coming into the maple neck. The satin maple neck. Mahogany body. Even got the flame maple on the back. That is pretty. The Zach Wylde Audio Barbarian. He's got so many to choose from. It was hard to pick one, but this is different. And it don't have the bullseyes or nothing. I would love to have one of the old Epiphone bullseye Les Pauls, but I'll get one of them someday. Anyway, I'm happy again. I believe I'll keep it. Very nice, very nice. One more look and I'm out of here. Oh yeah, kind of an SG type, which is always cool. Alright, catch you later.